If you were to describe your experience in one word, what would it be? I would say surprising. Surprising in the terms of I wasn't really expecting what I'm doing right now. I just came here to just get more of experience and more understanding of skills. But I really took a lot from this program and I love the opportunity I have. Thank you. What surprised me most about this workshop is just that only in 2 days the workshop leaders were able to teach me and make me realize about my own potential as a young leader in my society. They made me realize that we always have a choice, that any situation that we're in, we should make ourselves be powerful in that situation and make ourselves move forward as one. So I believe that that's a very powerful thing that they done in 2 days. One thing I will take away and use in the future is my understanding of my path that I will take into any career that I go into. The path that I take into any career that I go into can always change, but the people that I meet, the experiences that I have, the skills that I gain will always be very, very crucial. And I believe that I will take that understanding and make myself better in the future. What I will say to other students of color is that let us break the stereotype that black people or students of color are nobodies. Black people and students of color are people that can make the most difference in this world. The institutional racism that we're looking at, all of the negative stereotypes that we have, all of the negative labels that we have, we ourselves can change it. We are the policy makers, we are the people that will drive society forward. So let us have that thinking mindset of being in the financial sector, environmental sector, political sector. Let's come together and make a difference.